Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in Elan credit card account. Elan Financial Services provides a wide range of credit card products through partnership with other financial institutions. You can easily log into your Elan credit card account. For this, you need to open any web browser available on your PC. I'm going on with Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in login.elancreditcard.com, then press on enter. With this, now you'll be directly taken to login section of Elan credit card. Now here you can see login section on the left side. To log in, you need to first enter your personal ID of your Elan credit card on the given box. After this, if you don't remember your personal ID, then you can click on Forgot Your Personal ID option. After this, click on Continue option. After this, you need to enter the answer of your security questions. Here, you'll be provided with your sealed question by your Elan credit card. You need to give the answer to the question on the given box. Now, if you want your ID and your information to be remembered, then you can click on Remember this computer option. Now, make sure you ignore this option if you are using public computer. Now, if you don't remember your answer, then you can click on Forgot Your Answer option. After answering the question, click on Next option. Now, on the second page, you need to enter the password of your account. After you enter the password, you need to click on Continue option. After this, you'll be able to log into your Elan credit card account. This is how we can log in Elan credit card account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.